everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be talking about my new hair extensions that I just got from Bellami, and it is Boo-GATTI set. So I'll be talking about what was in the package, how much it cost, as well as I will share my first impressions. And if you want to see all of this, just keep on watching. So first of all, I want to mention that I'm not affiliated with Bellami Hair, so I don't have any discount codes for you. And I also want to mention that I never had hair extensions. So this way, I'll be comparing these hair extensions to my real hair and share my first impressions. I got Boo-GATTI hair extensions in jet black. So this set is 340 grams and the length is 22. I got my hair extensions during Black Friday sale, so they had 10% off. They also had a free US shipping, and because I live in Canada, for me there was no free shipping. I had to pay for shipping, and also it was a gift with purchase. So for my gift I got a ponytail, so it's not arrived yet because at the day that my package was shipped it was still out of stock, so I'm still waiting for that to arrive. So now let's talk about the price. So I paid $319.99 in US dollars. So in Canadian it was $412.68, and I also had to pay GST and processing fee whenever my package arrived to the door, so that was additional $30.58. So now let's see the packaging and everything that came inside the box. So first of all, I got this gold hanger, and there is also a case where you can store your hair, and you can see it's very long. So both of them very amazing if you want to store your hair and also if you're traveling, to make sure that it's not damaged and everything is in place and looking nice when you arrive. And you can see the box is so big and so beautiful. It is the gold beautiful color, and I definitely will be keeping this box to store some items after I take out my hair. And this is how it looks on the side, and you can see this beautiful lock right here, and it's actually magnetic. So now let's open it up. So you can see this is what's inside the box. So now let's talk about everything that is in here. So first of all, it came with Bellami detangler. So this one is to style, detangle and maintain your Bellami hair. So this is how detangler looks like, and you can see it up close. So I think it will be amazing to take care and brush up my hair extensions. So the first from this set, Bellami BOO-GATTI 2220 grams, 22 lengths, hair extensions, and also one of them is kind of at the bottom. So you can see it has all the information about your hair extensions, and also over here on the bottom it says that it is a tester. It says, please open this first to test color of hair without removing from backing. So as I understood, you need to take out the tester first and kind of like color match your hair. If it's matching correctly and everything, then you can remove the sticker which says warranty void if removed. So if let's say color is not matched, you can still probably return this hair to Bellami, and if everything is fine, you can take out your hair extensions and use them. So the next that comes in a packaging is this Bellami Volumizer weft, which is 120 grams and the length is 22 as well. So this should be the one whole thing that you can apply on the back of your hair, and it will give you additional volume. So this is what makes this set a Boo-GATTI, because you have your hair extensions and you also have this volumizing weft. So there is no any other sets rather than Boo-GATTI that will give you so much volume and so much of hair extensions and so much grams, which is 340 grams in total. And this kind of was a reason why I selected this set. So now let's open this set up and take a look on the hair, and I will be sharing also my first impressions comparing hair extensions to my real hair. So first of all, I want to take out a tester and compare hair extensions to my real hair to make sure that the color actually matches me and I don't have to return this set. So let's just open it up, and it comes out. So the hair extensions come in kind of like this packaging, so you can take it out and kind of like see, compare. So it actually matches perfectly. So whenever I'm looking at it, it matches just perfectly. I like it so much, so I can definitely take out these hair extensions and just see how they look like. So you can see that the hair is very long. It's definitely way longer than my normal hair. So if I kind of put them right here and I just stand up, you can see that it goes, oh my god, like so long. So if I kind of like compare this hair quality to my normal hair, it definitely feels more silky It feels more luxurious and I kind of like this even more than my natural hair. And I am not disappointed with this set at all. On the quality side, I like the color. I'm very happy that it matches me, and I also like the length. Again, like it's so long that I'll be just like so beautiful with this hair. I can't wait to use it. So I definitely will be filming another video where I'll be talking about how I style my hair, how I use my hair extensions. And because I have never used hair extensions before, I kind of need to use them, adjust to them, and find my way, what is the best way to wear them. And also kind of to find out if I use them all day long, how it feels on my head. Is it too heavy? If I use just volumizing weft, and also if I use just hair extensions, and as well as if I use both of them together. So stay tuned for that video on my channel as well. So now let's take care of the rest of the hair extensions that come in a kit. So now I'm unpacking the hair extensions. So they all came in this bag. So I found my way, just carefully taking out my hair extensions. So you can see they kind of were like this all together. So now let's see what we got. So you can see there is a lot of hair. Like seriously, there is way more that I even have right now. So now let's take a look exactly what we got with this set. So there is two with 2 clips. There is also 2 with 3 clips. So let me just show with one because it's very hard to hold both of them. So this is how much in length the hair is. And you can see there is 3 clips on another side of it. And let me just open it up for you. And you can hear the quality of the clips. And also in the package there is 2 of 4 clips hair extensions. So again, let me just show you one up close so you can see it has on the back 4 clips. So this is all the hair together. You can see there was 2 with 2 clips, 2 with 3 clips, and also 2 with 4 clips of hair extensions. So now let's open up Bellami Volumizer weft. So I'm just taking out the sticker, and you can see if you open it up, it's definitely obvious that you open up the sticker. So now let's take it out, and I really like the packaging of it. You can see how gorgeous, again, like gold inside. And on the back it says all about your hair, that it is 100% Remy human hair and how to take care of your hair. And again, my volumizing weft came in kind of like the same bag. So now let's open it up. So it's kind of like wrapped twice around it, I think. Okay, so I've finally taken it out from this bag. So this is how the weft looks like, and on the back you can see it has 9 clips. And the same way as hair extensions, this hair felt so soft and voluminous, and definitely even just this weft on its own, it's more volume and more hair than my own hair. So this is all of my hair extensions that came in Bugatti set, and also that volumizing weft right here in a gold hanger from Bellami. And you can see it's definitely a lot of hair. I'm so happy that I got this set. It looks very soft, it looks so voluminous and so luxurious, and I can't wait to use my Bellami BOO-GATTI hair extensions. So I just quickly clipped in all of the hair extensions. I used 2 of the 4s, 2 of the 3, and 2 of the 2. I actually didn't clip in the volumizing weft because I already felt that it was too much hair for me. So you can see how they looks like. There is a lot of hair. I have tons on my back, and I also have a lot of hair up front, and the hair goes up to here. And it is so much hair. I like it so much, and I definitely feel way more beautiful with these hair extensions. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And I also want to mention that I filmed a tutorial of this eye look, and if you want to see it, there will be a link in my description box down below to that video. And I just want to wish you a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!